Class 7, you studied about acids, bases and salts. Also, you studied about indicators that tests these substances and tells whether the substance is an acid, base or salt. In this video, we will learn about some indicators. Well, learners, can you recall what an indicator is? Well, an indicator is a chemical substance that indicates the nature of a substance when it is put into an acid or a base. When an indicator is put into different substance, it shows the nature of the substance, that is, whether the substance is acidic or basic by the change in its color. So we can say that an indicator is a dye. The most common indicators that we used in testings are litmus, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. We used litmus indicators also in previous classes to find the nature of a substance. Do you remember? Yes. The litmus indicators are of two types. One is blue litmus and the other one is red litmus. The litmus indicator is available in two forms, and these are in the form liquid solution and a paper strip. Now, let's recall the properties of litmus indicator. The blue litmus indicator turns red while there is no change in the color of red litmus when it is dipped in acid. On the other hand, the red litmus indicator turns blue while there is no change in the color of blue litmus when a drop of it is dipped in base. So it becomes very convenient to know the nature of substance with the help of a litmus indicator. Apart from litmus, methyl orange is also an indicator which is frequently used in labs. The neutral color of methyl orange is orange, which gives red in acidic solution and yellow in basic solution. So let's understand more with the help of an example. When some drops of methyl orange are put into the dilute solution of hydrochloric acid, the solution becomes red due to the presence of methyl orange into it. However, when some of its drops are put into the dilute solution of sodium hydroxide, the entire solution becomes yellow. You can also carry out this activity by yourself in the presence of your teacher. I hope you understood the concept of litmus and methyl orange. Now let's talk about another important indicator, that is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a colorless indicator and it remains colorless in acidic solution while it gives pink color in basic solution. Let's understand this in a better way by taking an example. When we put some drops of phenolphthalein in dilute hydrochloric solution, the solution remains colorless. While if we put some drops of phenolphthalein in the dilute solution of sodium hydroxide, its color changes to pink. Now, if we want to classify these indicators on the basis of its occurrence, then it can be classified into two parts. One is natural and the other is a synthetic indicator. Litmus, a purple dye solution, is a natural indicator as it is obtained from the plant lichen, while methyl orange and phenolphthalein are the synthetic indicators because these are prepared in laboratories. Apart from litmus, there are some more natural indicators such as turmeric and red cabbage extract. Turmeric in Hindi, it is called haldi, contains a yellow dye. It turns red in basic solution. So you would have observed the yellow stain of curry becomes red when scrubbing with soap because the yellow stain is turmeric and soap being basic turns red. The stain turns to yellow again when it is washed with plenty of water. It happens because the soap, which acts as a base, gets removed on washing. Similarly, the red cabbage extract obtained from the red cabbage leaves remains red in acidic solution, but it turns green in basic solutions. As of now, we saw the indicators are indicating the nature of a substance by changing its color. But learners, is there any other way also to indicate the nature of a substance by indicators other than changing its color? If we search the answer to this question, we need to know about one more kind of indicator, which is an olfactory indicator. So as per the Cambridge Dictionary, the meaning of olfactory is connected with the ability to smell. So we can say that olfactory indicators are that substances whose characteristic smell or odor changes in acidic or basic solution. Now, onion and vanilla are some of the common examples of the olfactory indicators. So, onion has its own characteristic smell. When a strip of cloth, when treated with onion extract, is dipped into a basic solution such as sodium hydroxide, its characteristic smell gets disappeared. And in this way, it indicates the solution in which it was dipped is basic. On the contrary, its characteristic smell does not disappear when the cloth strip treated with the onion extract is dipped into the acidic solution such as vinegar or lemon juice. Similarly, vanilla has its own characteristic pleasant smell. When a vanilla extract is treated with the base such as sodium hydroxide solution, its characteristic smell gets disappeared, and by this, it indicates the nature of solution which is basic. On the contrary, its characteristic smell does not disappear when the vanilla extract is treated with the acidic solution such as vinegar or lemon juice. Well, now, I hope you understood the various indicators, its types and uses. So in this video, we learned about various indicators which indicate the nature of a substance by the change in color or smell. Now, natural indicators are those whose source is nature, such as plant or animal. Some common examples are litmus, that we obtain from the plant lichen, and red cabbage extract, that is obtained from the leaves of red cabbage. Now, synthetic indicators are prepared in laboratories such as methyl orange and phenolphthalein, etc. Olfactory indicators are those indicators that tell the nature of a substance by the change in its characteristic smell. We have onion and vanilla are the most common examples of this. Well, learners, now it's time for assessment of the learning segment. So today's question is, are olfactory indicators also natural indicators? Well, this is all in this video and it's time to go now. In the next video, you will learn about acids. Till then, keep learning, eat healthy, think better.